We're making the cake. I like frosting.
Make this funfetti Pillsbury premium cake and cupcake mix.
Need a couple oil and that's how you.
What else?
And some water and that's how you make the cake. So now let's get started.
Okay.
So what do we? Whoa!
Let them pour some. Don't make it all everything.
It's 0150. So we got to make a cake. I'm excited.
Go for it. Ooh, okay. Crack it in here like this. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, hold on, babe. Do it slowly so I can help you. Crack it on the bowl.
Whoa!
All right, good job.
Good.
You did a great job whipping the egg. Good job. Out of her long.
Whoa! Really good.
It smells delicious. You gotta mix it up real good. Just so still.
It's got a little bit.
Yep. A little bit. Okay, you got it? It's kind of heavy.
Get it. Oh, what? Yeah. I like it. Now we're gonna pour the frosting.
Oh, now we have to bake in the oven for 33 minutes.
Then we're gonna put the frosting on.
Okay, you got
30 minutes. Yes.
and it's baking. You guys feel?
Good.
Are you excited?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes.
Okay. So the cake is all done. Now they're gonna put the icing on.
So the cake's ready. So we're gonna make it with some frosting and just keep going. It's good.
Okay, now put some on. Careful. Look, you gotta do it slowly. Okay. What is that one?
Strawberry. Chocolate. Like this, this nice and neat. I'm gonna get the big one. Chewy on the first. Like this, man. This don't wipe it, or you're gonna mess it. Take up. It's okay. It's okay. It's nice and neat.
You're not supposed to be eating it. You're supposed to be spreading it.
I was eating it if it tastes good or bad. I need some help.
For you, so we can cut us a piece.
Spread it, spread it, and spread it, and spread it. I know how to do mine.
You're doing a great job.
Let me taste. Let me taste some. That tastes delicious. Yeah. Get a finish.
That's enough.
Okay. That's so nice.
Yeah, you're doing a good job. And
Oh, tastes because I love chocolate.
you love the chocolate?
Yeah, because it's going in the foot. These are called the left one.
So we can cut us a piece. Ready?
Bye. Bye.